God is for you. And it's so important that we get this so embedded into our consciousness that no matter what is going on in our lives, that we go back to that and remember that over and over again, that whatever this is, you don't have to call it God, you can call it whatever you want, but there is something, and it is here, and it is for me. And I know this to be true for Unity of Springfield. I know that God is for us as we make this transition. God has amazing things in store for us. And you know what's really cool to me is that right now there's a minister out there, and grace is going out before this minister, and grace is going out before this ministry. And one day this grace is going to come together, and this minister is going to come into this ministry and go, what? This is the ministry that I get to be in, and you all are going to go, what? This is the minister that we have drawn to us, because it's going to be better than we could even imagine. And you and I, we just have to stay on that line of thinking and that line of knowing that we're attracting somebody even better. Somebody even better, and not better than, but better in the way of what we're ready for to create together. Because as I said, I'm not actually going anywhere. I have to be watching every week. So I know I've shared this a gazillion times, but I love this so much, and so I have to leave us with this, although I'm going to indulge a little bit more. So if you'll share this with me, and if you'll take us through this. This is Trust in the Goodness of God by Mary Kupferle. Together. In every moment of my life, God is for me. In the heights of happiness, God is for me. In the depths of despair, God is for me. When I feel strong and sure and confident, God is for me. When I feel unworthy and inadequate, God is for me. At my best, God is for me. At my worst, God is for me. When I am skeptical and doubting, God is for me. When I am positive and achieving, God is for me. Every moment of every day, God is for me. And because God is for me, what? Nothing can be against me. I acknowledge at this very moment, to the exclusion of any and all doubting thoughts or limited concepts, God is for me. I tell myself this over and over. I remind myself of this, whether I am alone or in a crowd, whether I am at work or at leisure, whether or not I feel deserving enough, faithful enough, spiritual enough. God is for me. God is for me. God, at this moment, is revealing the answers I seek, providing the assistance I need, and feeling the good I deeply desire. God is for me. Take this with you. I'm going to indulge here for just a moment because I want to say some thank yous. I want to say thank you first to my husband, Paul, my partner, who has been such an incredible gift in my life for almost 10 years now. And as was shared last night, ministry is not something I do alone. Ministry is something that I share with him. And anybody who knows Paul knows that Paul is as invested in this ministry as I have been. Paul shows up for anything that he has ever asked to show up for. And he's had to give up a lot in order for me to do what I do. And so I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And we get Saturday nights again. I want to say thank you to my kids, to Krista and Josh, and my son-in-law Jeremy, to my grandkids Declan and Riley, for always just loving me through everything and being there to celebrate my joys and being there to lift me up in my sorrows. And I know that you guys have had to give up a lot because of my job, and guess what? I'm free. I want to say thank you to my family. My sisters are here today, my sister Judy and my sister Patty. The shortest one here is our first and only online member of Unity of Springfield, but they have definitely been strong supporters of me over the years, and they have definitely seen the changes in me throughout these years, and that they chose to be here this week, and to be here for this has just touched my soul in ways that I can't even tell you. And I want to thank my bonus family. Paul's family, they just loved and accepted me from the beginning, and I love that we have such great relationships with our first husband and first wife, and we all do things together. But I cannot thank you guys enough for always just loving and supporting me and being there as well. I want to thank my many, many, many beloved friends that I have made here throughout the years, who have stood by me, who have had the hard conversations with me, who have laughed with me, and who have cried with me. And I will always, 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 always value the deep friendships that we have all made. And I'm so grateful that I get to still continue those relationships. I do want to say thank you to Dwayne Koppler, who 37 years ago saw something in me that I did not see in myself, and he told me about it. And it was so far beyond my comprehension. But for these 37 years, he has been my steadfast supporter and my steadfast cheerleader. And I cannot say thank you enough for always seeing that in me and helping me with that, to see it in myself. I want to say thank you to Dee Richardson for always being my co-pilot, for being last 15 years co-pilot in ministry. I appreciate you so much, and just ditto everything that you said. And I want to thank everybody who I have had the opportunity to work with throughout the years. It has been just such an incredible blessing to get to work with so many of you. I would be remiss not to thank Lisa Landrigan for taking ideas that I had and bringing them to a reality in our ministry. I can't, you can have ideas, but if you don't have leaders, and she has been an incredible leader in our ministry to help get these major things going. So thank you, Lisa. I want to say thank you to all the amazing board members that I've had the opportunity to work with through the years, because my board members have become some of my blessed and beloved friends, and I just thank you guys so much. I just thank you. I couldn't ask for better. I want to thank you, all the amazing band members and soloists throughout the years. There was Harry Beckett and Terry Laird and Joe Hutchison, and of course John Russ, who leads us. But then we have our awesome band and our awesome soloists, and I think we have the best band in Springfield. Thank you very much. Yes. They can do anything. They can. It just kills me. I just come in sometimes and they'll just have the song down so perfectly. And I want to say thank you to all of you. Thank you so much for loving me and supporting me all these years. Many of you have been with me through some of the hardest times that I've experienced, and you've just loved me and supported me through it, and have been with me through the great joys of my life, and I just cannot say thank you enough. I feel completely and totally loved. I feel it, and what a gift to feel that incredible, incredible love. This journey has been by far the most life-changing journey for me over these past 37 years. Think about it. My job here has been to dive into Unity teachings. That's what I did all the time. I read, I listened, I researched. So who got to have the blessing first? I did. So in closing, I want to say to my beloved community of light and love, as the seasons of ministry shift, and I step away from the sacred role that I have loved and have been blessed to hold, I offer this benediction, not as an ending, but as a blessing for the continuation of our shared journey. May you remember always that the divine presence that brought us together is the same presence and that guides our paths forward. This presence knows no retirement, no limitation, and no goodbye. Go forth knowing that the truth that we have celebrated together, it lives within each of you, not dependent on any leader or any teacher, but it is eternally accessible right where we are at this very moment and every moment. May you continue to recognize the power of your thoughts, to shape your experiences. Choose consciously those beliefs that liberate rather than limit, right? No fighting for limitations. May you see beyond appearances to the spiritual reality that underlies all things, finding the good, even in moments of challenges and transition. And may you deepen your awareness that abundance flows not from outside circumstances, but from within the infinite source within, expressing uniquely through each one of you. Know that though my role changes, the love that we have shared does not. The light that we have ignited together does not. And the truth that we have discovered together does not. So today I release you to new possibilities, to fresh expressions of the divine creativity that has always moved through this community. And I accept with gratitude all the blessings that will flow from our continued unfoldment, knowing that what we have each cultivated together will bear fruit in ways that we cannot yet imagine. And as you continue this journey, be bold with your vision, steadfast in your purpose, and unlimited in your love. The light in me greets and celebrates the light in each and every one of you. And I say to you, namaste, namaste. Wow. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are making me ugly cry. Come on. Thank you so much. Thank you for this gift of all this time. Thank you.
Amazing, amazing, you will do amazing things. Amazing, amazing.
This ministry is all of us. It's not just the board and it's not just the staff. It's going to take everybody stepping up. But I know that great things are ahead for Unity of Springfield.
So I interviewed Sue, as you know, and I asked her this question. So a lot of time when actors are in big movies, they talk about taking something from the set. Tell us, what is it you most want to take from Unity of Springfield?
I'm going to have to think about this a minute. What do I want to take from Unity of Springfield? Well, I really like that sign out behind the host desk that says you are loved. But I think that's what I would take, but I won't take it because it's important to have here.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Y'all ready for this? I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Give it up. Welcome to the big show. Pump it up. Breaks a couple of tackles. And look at him go! And look at him go! He could go all the way. It's fun to stay in the YMCA. It's fun to stay in the YMCA. They have everything for your men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. Let's get ready to
Sue, wake up. Wake up. It's almost time for the church service.
What?
Wake up.
What? Oh my God, Lisa, wait till I tell you about this dream I just had.